Producer prices, that is wholesale inflation, came in hotter than expected today, but much of the surge in costs of goods can be blamed on just one item. A quarter of the November rise in prices for final demand goods attributable to a 54.6% jump in the price of chicken eggs. Joining us now with more, Yahoo Finance's Brooke DiPalma, again with the eggs.
Again with the eggs. I mean, I'm bringing you not some excellent news here. I had to say it. But cost of eggs are once again higher, and this is caused by two main reasons. We know that seasonal prices tend to, or rather seasonality tends to weigh on eggs. Of course, it is around the holidays. It's Christmas. This also tends to happen around Easter. And we also know that the bird flu has had a major impact on egg production. The USDA, U.S. Department of Agriculture, reported that U.S. egg production dropped around 4% year over year, totaling 9.19 billion in October. We also know that the bird flu caused the loss of 2.8 million egg-laying birds in 3 states in the month of October, and we'll get new data in just a few weeks, but that did cause prices to get higher, and we got a read on that on Wednesday morning from the Consumer Price Index, the CPI report. We know this is quite volatile. The price of eggs did see a decline in October, but then we saw the price of eggs jump 8.2% month over month in November and up nearly 38% year over year as well. So where are prices at now? Well, for a dozen large grade A eggs, you're going to pay about $3.65. That's as of the latest month. That's far higher, though, than where we were at earlier this year. We started the year prices of eggs just about $2.52. Now, experts do predict that if we increase the amount of egg-laying hens and we see a roughly 4% increase in egg production, then we'll see prices drop around 85 cents. But keep in mind, that's far more than what we were paying a few years ago when prices were about $1.50 for a dozen.
Are there certain kinds of eggs that are going to cost me more?
I knew you'd ask this.
Yeah.
Well, if you think about it, the gap between premium eggs, that's like a free-range egg and not necessarily a caged bird, that's going to cost more, but now that gap is starting to close in, and so consumers may be thinking, hey, maybe I'll pay a little bit more for that quote-unquote premium egg than, say, the regular eggs you might
Or you
go
can
to
always
normally.
put the chickens in your backyard.
Oh.
I know some people who have chickens in the backyard.
Since COVID, that has become a thing.
Even before COVID. But that's a story for another day, Brooke. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.